Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable activating Google Assistant by saying Hey Google on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, go into the settings. Now tap on the search bar and search up Assistant. Then go into Assistant settings and then into Hey Google and voice match. Turn on, tap on the switch. And I read it before, so I'm just going to agree to everything and just skip this part, but you should read before agreeing now. Okay, next. And as you can see, it has been activated, and now let's try if it works. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay, so if it doesn't work, just like on my device, what you will need to do is just tap on the retrain voice match model, and what let's do is just you just have to read some phrases that are written on the screen, and it's going to work better. So tap here, and now I just have to say exactly what's here. So, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every day or every Monday. Wait. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Right? And now let's try if it works. Hey Google. Hey Google. How about Hey Google. Hey Google. Oh, it worked. Okay, so maybe so you can see it. Hey Google. Hey Google. Oh, it worked. Okay, so just doesn't work very well, but it works. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments.